In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve exercise number 1.1, question number 5, that is most relevant for paper's point of view. So let's start. Prove that minus 7 divide 12 minus 5 divide 18 is equal to minus 21 minus 10 divided by 36. So taking left hand side, that is minus 7 divide 12 minus 5 divide 18 implies that, so minus 7 divided by 12 dot 1 minus 5 divided by 18 dot 1. So 1 is the multiplicative identity. So multiplicative identity can also be applied in the form of 3 dot 1 divided by 3, next 2 dot 1 divided minus 7 divide 12 dot 3 divide 3 minus 5 divide 18 dot 2 divide 2. So 7 3 times 21 divide 36 minus 5 2 times 10 divided by 18 2 times 36. So taking common, 1 divide 36 minus 21 dot 1 divide 36. So minus 10 dot 1 divide 36, 1 divide 36 common. So minus 21 minus 10 into 1 divided by 36. So minus 21 minus 10 divided by 36, that will be equal to right hand side, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.